Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. Opportunity Circle is back with another amazing opportunity, the Human Rights Essay Award. This is an incredible opportunity for law students around the world. This competition is sponsored by the Academy of Human Rights and Humanitarian Law. Law students worldwide are encouraged to participate in this competition and share their thoughts on the most critical challenges faced by the world these days: climate change and human rights, impact, responsibilities, and opportunities. The Academy of Human Rights and Humanitarian Law has been keen to promote a realistic approach to this sector and create linkages between different human rights educators, experts, and organizations. Those who are interested can also take advantage of the Academy's powerful training. Furthermore, it aims to expand the dominance of human rights and related laws around the world. The Global Human Rights Essay Competition trains participants to turn their ideas and opinions into well-researched, cogent, and useful content. A focused, coherent, articulated, and understandable essay with no grammatical errors is required for the winning essay. Every year, this worldwide competition aims to recruit students with a background in international human rights law and requires them to write on a specific topic while adhering to international essay writing guidelines. As a result, the top writers are thrust into the spotlight of the international organizations. The Human Rights Essay Award aims to provide potential individuals an opportunity to analyze the problems in this sector and then develop its solutions. The participants will also get a chance to improve their writing skills through this competition. Moreover, the organization benefits from this competition by having perspectives about the problems and solutions from different areas of the world, helping them develop a profound strategy for the world based on these essays. The eligibility criteria to apply for the Human Rights Essay Award: applicants having a law degree are eligible. Applicants from all continents and all countries can apply for the Human Rights Essay Award. Previous Human Rights Essay Award winners are not eligible to apply. The benefits of the Human Rights Essay Award: it offers a full scholarship for advanced studies in human rights and humanitarian law program for either a degree or certifications in the USA. A round-trip traveling expense to Washington, D.C. will be provided. It will also provide accommodation at the Washington College of Law, dormitory or hostel. For daily expenses, some stipend will also be given. The best articles will be published in the American University International Law Review Journal. Other details about the Human Rights Essay Award: authors are not allowed to mention any personal information in their essay, even their names. Format for essay should be a word only with Times New Roman font and font size 12. Double spaced for the body of the essay. Only single-spaced footnotes are allowed to be used for citations. The essay should be 35 pages maximum. For page layout, a 1-inch margin should be left from all sides. Proper formatting should be followed, otherwise 5 points will be deducted. Only one essay is allowed by each applicant. Applicants should be careful about errors and plagiarism in the essay. The application process: submission of the essay will be online, the link for which is given below. Submit a copy of your essay with the online application form. Make sure to fill in all the information correctly. Along with the essay, applicants are also required to submit these documents: academic transcripts, passport details, CV of maximum of 3 pages. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email within the next 24 hours. The result will be published on the official website on 1st April 2022. To submit your essay, click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the Human Rights Essay Award official website. On this website, you have to add in your basic information, your email address. You have to confirm your email address. You have to provide a copy of your CV. You have to click on Choose File to choose your CV file. Then you have to provide a copy of your essay. You have to click on Choose File to add in your essay. Essay requirements: does your essay meet the following requirements? Tick the requirements which your essay fulfills. Author information: do you currently or will you have a law degree by the submission deadline? Yes or no? Would you like more information on one of our LLM programs? How did you hear about the Human Rights Essay Award? Select the option that apply, and after filling this application form, click on Submit. After clicking on submit, your essay will be officially submitted and you will not be able to edit anything. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We will be back with more videos.